When you are drawing with a pencil, do you hold the pencil like you hold a pen when you write? Then this video is for you, because you're doing it all wrong. You have to hold the pencil quite differently while drawing. No, I'm kidding, or am I? Maybe a bit. Hi, I am Ayal Pinkus and welcome to this quick video in which I'm going to show a few ways you can hold a pencil while drawing. Tips that might help you become better at drawing with a pencil. So let's get started. Pencils are different from pens in several ways. For one, they can have a long tip that can make a wide mark when held the right way. This can be used effectively to put down a shade. To draw lines, you can use the tripod grip, similar to how you hold a pen to write. You hold it with your thumb, index finger and your middle finger. This allows you precise control and flexibility. You can use this grip for details like eyes and corners of mouths. More generally, though, to make the most use of the pencil, make sure its tip is sharp and hold the pencil in an overhead grip. Hold the pencil some distance away from the tip and pull the pencil for a sharp, crisp, long line. Try to move from the shoulder or elbow, or try to avoid drawing from the wrist or fingers, because when drawing from the wrist or fingers you can't make long fluent lines as easily as you can when you move from the shoulder, so you're almost forced to build lines from shorter strokes. To lay down a tone, move the pencil sideways in the overhead grip so that the lead can make wider marks, again moving from the shoulder or else the elbow as much as possible. You can build up an area with one tone by laying down these strokes next to each other, overlapping them, and by carefully controlling the pressure you apply. The pencil also allows you to be expressive when it comes to the line quality, by varying the orientation of the pencil relative to the page and the direction of the stroke. As a warm-up exercise, try to draw long straight lines in many directions and from the shoulder and with the overhead grip by pulling the pencil. Try expressive lines by changing how you move the pencil from pulling to sideways movement, and try to fill a box with a steady and constant gray tone. Also try to create a tone gradient that way.